Are you ready to boost your team's efficiency and streamline your customer support? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a simple but effective support ticket system in Clickup, updated for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll have a dedicated space in Clickup to track support requests, making it so much easier for your team to stay organized and respond quickly to clients or customers. Let's jump in and start setting things up. First, open up your Clickup workspace. Now, if you're new to Clickup, the workspace is kind of like your digital headquarters. It's where all your tasks, lists, and projects live, neatly organized. If you're already working on a team, just sign in like you usually do. For solo users, the workspace is still the main hub for all your productivity. Just take a second to make sure you're in the right workspace where you want your support tickets to be managed. Next, navigate to your project. Think of projects in Clickup as boxes that can hold all related tasks, lists, docs, basically anything relevant to a specific area of your work. For example, if you're setting up a support system for your SaaS product, click into that particular project. But maybe you're a freelancer managing client requests, or you're running an e-commerce store, just pick the project where you'd expect your support requests to end up. Now we're going to add a new list. Lists in Clickup act like folders made for grouping related tasks. This is an important step because each support ticket, whether it's a bug report, a feature request, or a customer question, will be tracked as an individual task inside this list. So click the option to add a new list and name it Support Ticket System. Try to keep the name straightforward. It helps everyone on your team understand exactly where to log or look for tickets and reduces confusion down the line. If you ever expand your ticketing workflow, you'll be glad everything starts out neatly labeled. Here, where Clickup's AI tools really shine. After naming your list, you'll notice that the AI will automatically suggest some info for the list content, things like default fields, statuses, and maybe helpful templates. My advice, just go ahead and accept the suggestion for now. The AI is designed to set up the basics, which means you get things like new request, in progress, and resolved statuses created for you so you're not starting from scratch. This part is pretty quick. But if you want to customize things later, like adding priority tags or extra fields for ticket details, you can always do that. For now, let the AI do the heavy lifting and get you started right away. Don't worry if you see options or templates you're unfamiliar with. You can always tweak things to fit how your team works best after you've seen how it functions. And just like that, your support ticket system is ready to go. You've got a dedicated spot in your Clickup workspace where anyone can create and track support tickets. This really does make life easier, whether you're supporting customers, clients, or internal team members. Over time, having this structure will help you spot patterns, address issues faster, and improve your overall service, almost like having a digital help desk at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments. I love hearing how you're using these tools. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more practical Clickup walkthroughs and productivity tips. Thanks for watching and happy ticket tracking.